keep going. Go up.
So, Nevan Sim touched on this one yesterday in the Hot Topics, but if you haven't heard, by now, US singer Miley Cyrus is being sued. Yeah, with no money to $300 million by reggae singer Flurgon. Flurgon? You didn't know that name there?
Flower gun.
Flower gun. What?
The flower gun.
What kind of name is that?
Yeah, man, a flower gun.
Flower gun.
Yeah, you see it.
Like him use flour, I make enough dumpling. Okay, over the 2013 song We Can't Stop for having one identical lyrical line.
We run
Seriously,
things,
sir?
things that run we.
The Kingston-based dancehall artist said that the 25-year-old borrowed the line from his 1988 track, We Run Things. Okay. The only tangible similarity between the songs, I don't know if you can call that tangible because we can't hold it, it's just words, right? This is the line, we run things, things that run we, which shares a spot in both choruses. Although Miley is slightly different. We run things, things don't run we.
It's slightly American.
He's suing Miley and Sony to block further distribution, sales, and performances of the song, as well as seeking the massive payout. He not get it. Look how much song have the same line. Come on, man, don't stop it.
Music is recycled, isn't it?
Stop the foolishness.
Music is recycled. We'll see what I'll go to still.
And guess
We
what?
run things,
That's a
things don't run
statement
we.
that we make out here enough time. So what? Johnny, stop the foolish. It's not like if she used his music and lyrics, so it's a sample.
I never.
Right. You tell me something can't say things again?
I'll stop talking for this idea. Next thing somebody gonna sue me.
I don't. Come on. Mr. Flower Gone?
Yeah.
Flower Gone?
Anyways, this one is much cooler. I got to watch this. Shaggy revived It Wasn't Me. A little help from late night host James Corden. But with a presidential spin on his 2000 hit. Unlike the original song, which hinged on a man's denial of his infidelity, it portrayed a fictional exchange between President Trump and Special Counsel Robert Mueller. You saw it?
I did see it.
It was fun. I loved it.
Yeah?
I loved it. I love stupid
You
things.
like that?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it was
I like
silly,
it.
but I didn't.
I like silly things. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I know I like it. I like because him get to dress up and look like Trump. And then show him things.
I like some of the stuff that was happening. It just wasn't catchy to me.
Yeah,
but it was informative.
No,
Because for anybody
it was.
who never know the story or wasn't up to date with
And the only thing is like, them have lines to just run on. And there's
it never catchy, like, you know.
Yeah, but if you pay attention, as you say.
But it was
listen.
informative.
Yeah, man.
So, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
All right.
That's good, though.
And I'm sure that's going to make the rounds. It wasn't me.
You know, so
You know which line was funny to me? Which line?
one?
Actually, it
Which
wasn't
one?
P.
What?
It's you
When
never
that bound
heard
to
it.
pass me.
No, you need to go back and watch it and if you never heard that
Go watch it, go watch it.
It wasn't P. Because of the tape about the...
Me know, yeah.
And
That by me
so he's like, no, it wasn't P.
It was funny. I like that.
That line was funny. But the rest of it,
What's going to be funny is that lip sync later.
on a train trip. So for the 20 hours on the train trip, she was just no. According to local media reports. She's 47 years old, migrant worker, and she took a train from China's Henan province to the southern city of Guangzhou. Okay, at the end of the lunar year holiday. Like many others. She used her phone. Oh, okay, they want us to start over. Let's start over. A woman had blood clots removed from her brain after staring at her phone for 20 hours. The 47-year-old migrant worker took a train from her hometown in central China's Henan province to the southern city of Guangzhou. Like many others, she used her phone to just kill time during the trip. But me no know who can kill time for 20 hours. You can kill time for 20 hours on a phone?
When you don't drop asleep.
Hey,
And wake
sleep
up.
now?
And
Sleep.
sleep again.
I mean,
20
20
hours.
hours. Who does this for 20 hours?
It made up on this for 5 minutes. And not now entertain me. But put on that.
Oh, but think about it though.
Probably
Let me
Candy
think
Crush.
about it. Does that mean though? What does that mean for us who are on our phones a lot? Because I watch movies on my phones and stuff like that.
Yeah, but I'm not 20 hours a clean.
Not 20 hours straight,
Yeah,
but
but-
suppose I'm
okay,
watching it
yeah.
all day.
Like 2 hours
Yeah,
and
and then
you
we take a
and-
break. Is it that you don't take a break or what?
I don't know if you don't know.
Don't do that, guys.
Please don't. Okay, on Thursday, Rihanna accused Snapchat of shaming domestic abuse victims after an advertisement made light of her beating by fellow pop star Chris Brown. social media platform had featured an advertisement for Who Would You Rather, a game app that asks sometimes provocative questions. The commercial showed the two singers and asked Snapchat users, whether they would rather slap Rihanna or punch Chris Brown. Oh, Rihanna took to rival platform Instagram to denounce Snapchat, which had pulled the advertisement after an uproar. Rihanna fans, we call it Rihanna fans. Like I have B behind. We call it Re-Navy. Yeah. The Re-Navy across the the Re-Navy across the world are now deleting Snapchat after she bashes the app.
Why would you do that? Why would you make light of somebody being abused?
Yeah, I don't know.
Would you rather slap or punch?
It's just, it looks for attention, man.
Well, guess what? I hope it backfired everybody
has.
deleting it. But I already delete Snapchat because Snapchat are 9.
Kind of know if you use it.
No, I learn.
Remember
Keisha Patterson, my sister, pick up herself. She taught me how to use Snapchat, and I used it for like
Snapchat.
4 or 5 days, and then
Yeah.
okay. Anyway.
But in all truth though, you cannot make light of any form of situation.
No.
Child abuse, domestic
Nothing
abuse,
like that.
nothing like that.
Nothing like that. So
Thank you
I
for the
move
love.
forward. Go Rihanna. Delete them, yes. And everybody will just delete it all. That's it for now, guys. Let us know your thoughts. And, that's it for the trending topics. But we're available on all the social media platforms, except Snapchat.
Instagram.
We're there on Snapchat.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.